Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto parry. Let's try Smith-Morra. So he goes back to the pawn. Aha. Bishop B2 for B5. Try and put pressure on E5 point, B5 and then C4 maybe. Okay. And it's got F4, nice play on F4 unfortunately. Knight C3 to D5. I'll get the queens off for a moment, or play this anyway. So something like rook E1. Gives me access to A7. That's unexpected to get the queens off here, because I thought he's trying for like a hack attack. Knight B3 to A5 if he's not careful. Well, there's B6. I think B6 and there's bishop D8. Is that the end of that? No, there's C5 there. Takes bishop E5. Hold on a sec. C5. That looks pretty useful. Knight B3 takes knight A5. Looks useful as well. Back row isn't mating just yet. So this rook B7 looks handy. Well, you're taking
check.
Rook C7 or then
check.
C6. Oh, this looks pleasant enough.
Check.
This wins the rook. That's a fun one. Okay, let's have a look at that. That's okay here. I was very surprised he took. Yeah, I think he needs to go for his attack. Yeah, I mean I need to be careful here. Maybe bishop takes H3. No? Yeah, that should be better for black. Even if the engine protested him at first. Yeah, something like that. I mean, his knight's coming to F4, his rook's coming. It looks like a major hack attack. I think I've been let off the hook. We've definitely let off the hook. Right, yeah, if he played, I think, let's check this out. I think C5 is possible here. That's quite a neat idea. I think that'll be okay, yeah? And this is a blunder, isn't it? In fact, the engine's saying knight A5 immediately. Is what I played weak? Okay, and if here takes...
Check.
What? How? What? Mate's in 11 with... And the first move is bishop A3? What? Wow, that's a heavy mate problem. Bishop a3 is the first move here. Actually, it might make sense. Well, look at it, just to play the check and then check here. Oh, really? But hold on. So it goes rook c1 as the main line. Check.
Check.
Bishop takes.
Check.
b7.
Check.
All right, and then queening, right?
Check.
Etc. Blah blah. Knight a5, and if here just takes bishop a3 again. Okay, all right. I thought this was simple and strong, but apparently not. All right, this just loses immediately to
check.
This line if here.
Check.
Well, it's still the same thing, isn't
check.
It? There's rook c7.
Checkmate.
Did I miss a mate, by the way?
Check.
In the game continuation. No,
check.
Did I? No.
Check. Check. Check.
Okay, fun one. Yeah. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.